Hey guys, what's up? My name is Vel, and in today's video we're going to be talking about affordable lash products, about some storage and all kinds of stuff. I'm just going to be sharing with you a few things that I love. Alright, so the first thing that I do want to share with you guys are these lashes. These are Paris Lash Academy lashes, and this is like a new discovery. I do follow a few Facebook groups, and I love them. Like, so far I like them. I only got sizes 10, 11, 12, which is something I rarely go into. I like to either go a little bit longer, but in here it comes with like little hairballs and it comes with like little pre-made fans, and I think they're really soft, they're really great. I do like them a lot. I think this box was $35, and that's not too bad, seeing as you get, it's a mix of 0.07, so I don't know, they do seem really thin for 0.07, but what do I know? And it has like a little magnetic clasp, really cool. So alright, the next thing I want to mention are these glasses. I get a lot of questions, which I'm pretty sure all of you guys already know about them. I will link them in the description down below where you can get these. You can get them on Amazon. They're really affordable. I believe they're like 11 to 12 bucks, and they just are a lifesaver. I could not lash without them. I cannot see. So they're great, they're very comfortable, they're very lightweight, and there's a lot of them that come with straps. I believe this one came with straps, but nah, that one always hurts my head. It rips out your hair, like it's not a good situation. So I would definitely try to get the ones that look like this. They're just like glasses, you know? Next, I always get questions on these dental bibs. That's all they are. They're dental bibs from Amazon. They're super thin, and you just order like a big old pack of like 500 or even more, and they're very sanitary. I do use one at every single client. That's just me. Like, I like to just try to stay clean as possible, and they're disposable, and they do have like a plasticky side, so whenever I do facials, I do lay it on this side so that we don't have any leakage or anything, you know? But when I do lashes, I just keep it on this soft paper side. They're really affordable. They are on Amazon. Like I said, I will have everything linked right down below. Next, I do want to mention a really good glue. This is the Lylon Lash Products, designed in Los Angeles. Ultra Hold Instant Dry. Guys, and this is kind of what the bottle looks like, but oh my god. Nothing has ever dried so fast in my life. I absolutely love it. I can love it. I, for one, need something that dries like instantly, and this one, it just sticks to your eyelash. It's very affordable. I think it's $20 on Amazon. It is in the 30 to 70% humidity, 68 to 80 degrees weather, and it's bomb. I don't know where I've been. You need to try it. Alright, next I'm going to be talking about two pairs of tweezers. I do have this one. I'll link them down below. This one is the Tool Element? I don't know. But I got it on Amazon, and I kind of thought I was going to be disappointed, but I love this tweezer. It honestly is almost exact to the, I'm pretty sure it's a dupe for the Magic Mic from Sassy Lashes. But this one is bomb. I love it to make volume fans, and it's really like, it has a nice tight grip. It's so hard to find those tweezers that have that tough grip, you know? So these are really good, very affordable. But a second pair that I do have to show you, they're kind of disgusting. I hate that they do get like eaten up pretty easy because they're super cheap. They're about $6, guys, on Amazon. And my Lashbox $40 tweezers are in the trash. My Sassy Lash mic tweezers, they're in the trash. Every tweezer that I have spent like over $30 is in the trash. These, I have like 20 of them, and they're amazing. I make volume fans amazingly with these. They have the perfect grip, and then they're huge here. I think that's what helps me. It does have to be like that little shape. It can't be those round ones. But oh my god, guys, I freaking love these. If you're a mega fan maker, this is what you really need. You do need the bigger, like, little beak or whatever you call it. Alright, moving on, I'm gonna be showing you this little guy. Oh my gosh, I love it. I have been on the search for like the perfect acrylic container, you know, like with a lid, with the lid. And I did see some, I don't know if I'll find a picture, I'm too lazy. There's a picture that has one that, you know, the little lid is like stuck on. This is not bad, you just have to pop it on, pop it off. But guys, I found these at the Dollar Tree. Like, stop what you're doing, stop watching my video, put it on pause, go to the Dollar Tree if you can. Wear a mask for sure. But yeah, so these were at the Dollar Tree, and look at how perfectly my spoolies fit in there. And they're super like packed in there. These are my glue rings. Look at how perfect. And then look at how perfectly they fit my micro slots. You can fit a ton of in here. A ton. And on top of it, guys, they freaking stack. Like, I didn't realize that. I do have them laid out side by side. I'll put a picture if I can remember. But they stack. And like, you can shake it and it won't fall. They're stackables. Like, they're stackables. Actually, after this, I need to go get some because with my luck, they'll be gone. But yeah, so this is really cool. Like, how freaking cool. It looks so organized, so clean. So go ahead and subscribe. Go ahead and hit the notification bell so that it notifies you every single time I upload a new video just like this one. And let me know what you guys want to see in the comments right now, down below. Go let me know. And I promise you, in the future, once all of this is over, my hair will look better. I promise you. You'll see a whole different person. Because right now, And that is it for my video. Talk to you later. Bye.